Only me and Imad has sent the project. Pratyusha and there are two more students who have not sent us the project.
All right. So who all are there in your group, beta? Who all are there?
Ma'am, me, Pratyusha, Imad, and ma'am, there are two more. Ma'am, let me see.
It's Adrika,
Ma'am,
Garv, Imad, Anjali and Pratyusha. Pratyusha Singh, beta, please open your camera. And Anjali Saxena is there. Anjali Saxena, Pratyusha and Garv Agarwal. These three students are there in your group. Why are you not
ma'am,
working?
just a minute.
Yes, Pratyusha, say.
Ma'am, just a minute. I'm opening my video.
Okay, Pratyusha, don't open your camera. Just tell me about the project work. Have you started working on it?
Ma'am, I don't know how to editing.
No, don't do any editing. Have you collected pictures?
Yes, ma'am, I'm having all the pictures.
Did you use the app Vlogit?
Ma'am, I have downloaded, but ma'am, it is show. Ma'am, I cannot how. I don't know how to use it.
Why so?
Ma'am, because I never used it.
So beta, when you use it for the first time, then only you will learn. Other students of other sections have also used it for the first time, beta. Try to use it. Try to make a small video of something else, like your family pictures or something, and then you will be able to make it. Just experiment
Okay, ma'am.
on it.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Adrika,
Ma'am, I will try to send it tomorrow
okay.
only.
Adrika, whatever you have made, send it in your group and try to help your group members. Okay, Adrika, if Tusha sends you every little detail and small video of herself of talking about what she has done, then you can combine, you can compile her pictures and video.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Yes. You are a team. You have to make your team win. So you have to help out each other. Is that fine? Pratyusha, now you can take Adrika's help. And also Anjali
Okay, ma'am.
Saxena, what is your status, beta? About this project, how much have you done?
Ma'am, I have made the video, but ma'am, it is only left to add some images.
Yes, beta. So you have already reached the last date. Now the compilation of all children's work is also to be done. That is also left now.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what is the time to send the ma'am project?
What is the
Time, ma'am, time.
duration? It is 1.5 minute to 2 minutes.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm saying, ma'am, when we can send.
Okay, what is the deadline? What is the last date? Today. It was today. Today was the
Ma'am,
last
time.
date. By what time today?
Yes, ma'am.
Better try to send it after the school, like by 4 or 5. You'll
Okay.
get enough time
Ma'am, I
after
will send to
1:45.
4 or 5.
Any other
Ma'am, I will
questions
send to
anyone
4
has?
or 5.
By 4 or 5 in the evening, please send all your videos in the class, in your WhatsApp group. And one child can then compile all the videos. And if you're not able to do it, please ask me to do it. Write it in your class group and ask me to do it. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other question anyone has? No? Okay. Children, did we do that activity that day, the other day, of drawing crops? Did you draw 5 different crops grown in different states?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have also draw and color it.
But have you sent it to me, Pratishtha?
No,
Did you?
ma'am, because till that time the class was over.
Okay. So now what you have to do, the students that have not done this work, what you have to do is take out your social studies copies and on a blank page, just divide the page in 5 blocks. Okay? Make 5 blocks. I want big blocks on one page. And very nicely using bold colors, sketch pens and very bright colors, you have to draw any 5 crops grown across the country. And you have to name which crop is grown in which state. Like suppose jowar. Jowar grows in Rajasthan. You have to draw the picture of jowar, how it looks like. You have to color it very nicely. You have to outline it very beautifully. Pratishta, show me your work. Bring it closer to the camera. Very nice, very pretty, very neat. How many of you have drawn?
Here I have written find in and ma'am the name where it's find.
No, it is grown. You write grown in, not find in. Okay? We say it is grown in. Now you can Google the pictures of various crops like sugarcane, cotton, wheat, maize, jowar, millets. Fine. You can even draw pulses. You can even draw spices. Is that fine? Start drawing, start doing this work, and I want each one of you to send me by the end of this class. The topic is no, on the class group. The topic is crops grown across the country. Crops grown across the country. In other section, 4th C, also I have done this activity. They have so beautifully drawn the crops. It's looking so nice. I want all of you to do it in the same way.
Just wearing that Punjabi dress.
Yes, beta, I heard. I merged all the 3 videos for you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you for that.
Yes. So I have seen that. It's very good.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, which state of wheat we have to make?
Beta, now you can write any because wheat grows in many states. It grows in Rajasthan, in Haryana, in Punjab, in which other state? Bihar, and also you can write any state for that.
Okay, ma'am.
But make it very colorful. Use all the colors which you see in these Google pictures. Brown, green, yellow.
मैम
Yes.
जब मैं वीलॉग पे मैं वीडियो बना रहे हैं मैं अपनी तो मैम उसमें भर ही नहीं रही है सही से.
Afraz, you are in which group?
मैम पंजाब.
Very nice, beta. In whose group are you?
मैम दिवानी.
Dhwani. Dhwani and you are together. Yes. Dhwani and you are together.
मैम बनी रही है मैम.
Why? What
मैम
problem are you
वीलॉग पे
facing?
वीडियो
Tell
बनी
me.
रही है.
Beta, what problem are you facing? Tell me. Tell me which all pictures have you collected. Share all the pictures with me on my personal number. I'll put them in a video. Riyansh, have you just joined the class, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to draw. Did you draw crops that are grown across the country? You sent me your picture, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
I've drawn.
yes. So I have told other students to do this work. Now, since Pratishta and you have done this, so now Pratishta and Riyansh, both of you today are going to draw the spices that are grown across the country. There are various spices, right? Like in Kashmir, we have got aromatic. Which is that aromatic spice? Tell me.
Ma'am, Kashmir, ma'am, it's red chili.
No.
Kesar.
Saffron.
Yes.
Yes. Kesar.
Yes.
So just Google these different things. And now what all things are included in the spices? What all things come under spices?
Ma'am,
Not just green and red chili, but we have pepper, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, these all things. Okay? So you have to draw the coffee. You can even draw coffee, tea, these things that are grown across the country. Come on, hurry up. Yes, Afraz, have you sent me the pictures that you have collected?
no ma'am.
Send it now. What are you waiting for? I told you to send me the pictures.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, I have done the crop one. So, ma'am, can I send the picture of that?
Yes, send it to me. Yes, Afraz, what are you saying?
मैम वी लॉग से मैम पिक्चर आई नहीं है मैम वीडियो
बेटा वीलॉगिट से आपको भेजनी ही नहीं है पिक्चर. आपको पहले पिक्चर का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है.
नहीं मैम मैम पिक्चर का जब स्क्रीनशॉट लिया तो मैम जब मैम वी लॉग पे अपनी वीडियो बनाई.
बेटा वीलॉगिट पे वीडियो नहीं बनानी है. यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. वीडियो आपको नॉर्मल फोन पे बनानी है, फिर उसको वीलॉगिट में लाना है. आपने अपनी नॉर्मल वीडियो बनाई है?
यस मैम.
आप मुझे वो वीडियो सेंड करो और पिक्चर्स सेंड करो जो भी आपने कलेक्ट की हैं. आई विल पुट देम इन वीलॉगिट.
ओके मैम.
I want you to do this work in 2 minutes because you are saying that you have done. Don't take longer than 2 minutes. Children, you all can open your cameras and do this work. Or you're looking from your phone, the pictures of different crops. Are you looking from your phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, then it's fine.
Yes ma'am, I am looking from the phone only.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
No
I'm
problem.
looking from your phone. Ma'am, I'm looking from phone.
All right, children. Children, how much have you done?
Ma'am, only one is left.
Okay, no problem, because next period also you have with me only. So it's no problem if you're taking time. You can complete the work by your next period.
Ma'am, your voice is doubling.
What?
Ma'am, your voice is doubling.
My voice is doubling. Children, is that so?
No, ma'am. have drawn.
You have drawn? Okay, Om, have you sent it in the class? Apart from Om, who all have drawn? Children, whatever you have drawn, you can send on the class group if it is complete. Or do you need more time to complete it? Everybody is so busy drawing that you're not replying also. Good. Children, only 2 minutes are left for the class to get over. May I please know how much you have done? Why isn't anybody replying?
Ma'am, I am on the 4th drawing.
Very nice, Pratishtha. Very good. At least you're replying. What about others? All are sleeping?
Ma'am, my only one is left.
Okay, very good. Okay, children, time to end the class. Bye to all of you.